Hello, good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all you will be fine. Today I am here with an activity. I hope that you shall like this activity and you will try to do at your homes. This activity is based on learning by doing. Whatever you see, big or small things, you have to differentiate between them. Now, I am here with two pictures. You are seeing in this picture. Can you recognize what is this? This is a cake. The size of cake is big. And this is also a cake. This is small cake. Now question is, tick the big cake and cross the small one. We have to tick the big cake and cross the small cake. Now can you recognize which is big and which is small? Yes, look, this cake size is small and this cake size is big. So what we have to do? We have to tick the big cake. So this is big cake. We shall tick this cake like this. First make a slant line, then other slant line, makes tick. Then cross the small cake. Cross. We have to intersect two lines. We have to cross two lines, that is called cross. So we have done our activity complete. We have ticked the big cake and cross the small ones. Like that, there will be other more pictures in front of you. Like this is a big powder box and this is small pack. This is big pack and this is small pack. Can you see the differentiate between this powder? Yes, this pack is big in size and this pack is small in size. So we have to cross the small in this activity and we have to tick the big things. So differentiate is clear here, small and big. Like that, I have other question. Tick the basket with more laddus and cross the basket with less laddus. Are you saying there are laddus in two baskets? One basket is big and other basket is small. Like that, in big basket there are more laddus. A lot of laddus are there. And in small basket there are less laddus. So what we have to do? Tick the basket with more laddus. So we will tick the basket. हम जिस बास्केट में ज़्यादा लड्डूज हैं उसको हम टिक करेंगे. मोर लड्डूज का मीन क्या होता है? जिसमें ज़्यादा होते हैं. वी हैव टू टिक दैट एंड क्रॉस द बास्केट इन विच देयर आर लेस लड्डूज. जिसमें कम लड्डू हैं उसको हमें क्या करना है? क्रॉस. मोर मीन्स ज़्यादा और लेस मीन्स कम. अब इसमें मोर लड्डूज हैं. इन दिस बास्केट देयर आर मोर लड्डूज. ज़्यादा लड्डूज हैं उसको हमें क्या करना है? टिक. क्योंकि हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है अगर हमें ज़्यादा लड्डू को टिक करना है तो टिक करेंगे. क्रॉस बास्केट विद लेस लड्डूज. अब इसमें है लेस लड्डूज, कम है ना, इसलिए हमने इसको क्या किया? क्रॉस. लाइक दैट वी हैव डन इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन बिग केक एंड स्मॉल केक. वी हैव टिक. हमने जो बड़ा केक है उसको क्या करना था? टिक करना था और जो स्मॉल केक है उसको क्रॉस करना था. तो नाउ लेट्स enjoy this activity and do practice at your home, and you can draw figures with the help of your parents, and you can do this activity very well, and you can have more things in your home. As I have also one big bowl and one small bowl. This is big bowl and this is small bowl. Like we can understand this activity by these baskets. I think that this is like a big basket and this is like a small basket. There are if I put 3 laddus in this bowl and 6 laddus in this bowls, in which bowl there will be more laddus? In this bowl there will be more laddus. And you can also see in this pic, this is small bowl and this is big. So I think the concept of big and small will be clear to all of you, and we have understand this concept by this powder pack. One is big and one is small. I think a small and big concept will be clear to all of you. Thank you. Nice. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay. Bye bye. Have a good day.